Today we're going to be talking about homophones. I will explain to you what a homophone is. We'll take a look at some of the most commonly misused homophones, and I'll help you understand the difference between them and how to use them properly. And then we'll practice using everyday homophones and placing them in their correct sentences based on their spelling and meanings. So let's begin. What is a homophone? A homophone is two or more words that are said the same way but have different meanings and spellings. So they sound exactly the same, but they're spelled and they mean different things. Some of the most common misuses of homophones are the theirs and the tos. So let's take a look at the different theirs, and I'm going to explain to you how we can use them properly and how we can remember the differences between them. So the first one is there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. This is a contraction of they and are. So in this picture, these ladies, they're getting lunch. They are getting lunch. That's how we can tell the contraction there is used because it's replacing they are. Their, T-H-E-I-R, is a possessive pronoun, and this there shows possession or belonging to or associating with. Their is exhibited in this picture because this family is washing their dog. There is an adverb, and it's meaning into or at that place or position. So she is here and he is there. There. Now we're going to be talking about the tos. There are three different tos. The first two is to, and this is a preposition, and it is showing relationship in time or space. It's moving towards something or showing motion. So this picture, welcome to California. You're heading to California. You're moving towards California, so we're using to. The next two is too, and this is an adverb meaning also, in addition to, or in excess. I like to remember this one because the extra o is excessive, or in addition, we have an additional o, so too is in addition to. And then lastly, we have the number two, and that's spelled TWO. And this picture is 2 cookies. We can also represent this word with the number 2. Now let's see how these words can be used in sentences based on their spellings. They're eating lunch, They apostrophe re. They are eating lunch. We know that we're using the proper there because I can replace there with they are, and the sentence still makes sense. The family is washing their dog. This is the possessive pronoun there, and Their shows possession. She is here and he is there. This is the there that shows direction, the adverb there. Her position is here, his position is there, There. I would like to go home now, To. That is showing relationship in time or in space. We're seeing that this person would like to go home. They're going towards their home, so we use to. Too, we know that this is the adverb to, and it means also or in excess or in addition to. So too, too much candy will make you sick. I also included another example of to show that there's 2 ways that we can use this. So the first is in excess. Too much candy will make you sick. The other is my sister would like to come too, as well. The other use of this to is as well. So my sister would like to come too. We're also going to be using too. And lastly is the number 2. Only 2 cookies. We saw in that picture there were only 2 cookies, and we say we spell that TWO. Now let's look at some other common homophones. We have dear and dear, and here are the 2 sentences. There is a deer in the forest, And dear mom, I want to come home from camp. Now let's see how we use each one of these deers. In the first sentence, there is a deer in the forest. D-E-E-R is the deer we want to use. D-E-E-R represents the animal deer. In the second sentence, dear mom, I want to come home from camp. We're going to use D-E-A-R. D-E-A-R is the deer that we use when we want to write a letter. Now let's look at blue versus blue. Here are the sentences. Blue is my favorite color, and he blew a big bubble. So one of these blues is the color blue, and another is an action, like to blow, or past tense of blow. Let's see. He blew a big bubble. B-L-E-W is the blue we're looking for here. And blue is my favorite color. We're looking for B-L-U-E. B-L-U-E is the color blue. Next, we have flower versus flower. Now, one of these flowers is the kind that you eat, and the other is the kind that you grow in your garden. Let's look at the sentence. The recipe calls for 3 cups of flour. My favorite flower is a daisy. Let's see which ones we use. The recipe calls for 3 cups of flour, spelled F-L-O-U-R. F-L-O-U-R is the flour that we eat. My favorite flower is a daisy, F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower spelled F-L-O-W-E-R is the kind that you grow in your garden, so that is correct. And lastly, knight versus knight. For Halloween, I'm going to be a knight in shining armor. I would love a late night snack. Let's see which knight. One of these knights is the kind that protects people, and the other is the kind that comes after each day. So let's see which one we use in each sentence. For Halloween, I want to be a knight, spelled K-N-I-G-H-T, in shining armor. K-N-I-G-H-T is the kind of knight that protects people. And I would love a late night snack, spelled N-I-G-H-T. N-I-G-H-T is the night that comes after every day. So that concludes our homophone lesson. We learned the difference between the commonly misused homophones. We looked at some other common homophones and we saw pictures and sentences of how to use each one. And we also explained what a homophone is and how it is used. I hope this was helpful, and please enjoy the concluding video.
Bye. Woo! Go noodle with it. Blaze of friends. Let's go. Yo, you're about to get your mind blown, cause I'm about to rap about the homophone. Yeah. Quick, get your grandmama on the phone, cause we're gonna hear all about the homophone. Homophones are different meaning words that sound exactly the same. That's correct. This might sound kinda tricky, but I know you got the freshest brain. Hear like H-E-A-R means to perceive a sound. A sound. I can't hear a single thing but this basset hound. Hear like H-E-R-E means in this place. Like I stand here and you stand there, so you don't drool in my face. Ew. You're like Y-O-U-R means it belongs to you. It's mine. Your breath is kind of funky, dog. Want some gum to chew? You're like U apostrophe R-E is a contraction of U and R. You're not just a smelly basset hound, you're also a pogo star. Yo, that was great. You're about to get your mind blown, cause I'm about to rap about the homophone. Quick, get up out of your pajama show. We're about to get woke to the homophone. Come on. Homophones are different meaning words that sound exactly the same. Precisely. Why is the English language so insane? It's like I-T-S with no apostrophe means belonging to a thing. Like quick, give that baby robot its robot teething ring. It's like it apostrophe S is a contraction of it and is or has. Like that baby robot only goes to sleep if it's listening to jazz. Why like BY identifies who did something. That's right. Like this entire song was written by some baby robots that sing. Bye, like BYE is a way to say farewell. Goodbye. Like bye, baby robots. See you later. Watch out for that stairwell. Yay. You're right there. They're like THEIR means it belongs to them. They're like THERE means it is in that place. Right here. They're like they apostrophe RE is a contraction of they and R. Their UFOs are over there and they're all playing space guitar. Two like TO expresses motion in a direction. Two like TWO is referring to the number. Two spelled TOO means to an excessively high degree. That's different. I'm going to the vet with my two friends cause my chinchilla has too many fleas. Yo, you're about to get your mind blown cause I'm about to rap about the homophones. Quick, get that llama a blueberry stone cause he dropped bad info on the homophone. Homophones are different meaning words that sound exactly the same. Exactly. Now your homophonous knowledge will get some critical acclaim. Homophonous. 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 Homophonous.